Welcome back to Innovent Foods. Today we are making a traditional and healthy treat, wheat jaggery pudding. Rich in flavor, full of goodness and made with simple ingredients from your kitchen. It's inspired by traditional South Asian halwas but with a healthy twist. Let's get started. Take 1 cup whole wheat flour and dry roast it on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Roast the flour patiently to avoid any raw taste in the pudding. Once it's slightly golden and aromatic, cool down for 5 minutes. Pour it into a blender. Add half cup grated coconut, 2 cardamom pods, and 1 cup water. Use freshly grated coconut for the best flavor and texture. Blend it all into a smooth mixture. Coconut and cardamom not only add flavor, they bring aroma and richness too. Strain the blended mix to remove any coarse particles. This dessert is often enjoyed during winter for its warming effect on the body. Now add 1½ cup of water to the strained mixture and mix well. Pour it into a pan and cook on low heat. Stirring continuously. Keep stirring to prevent lumps. Once it starts boiling, add half cup jaggery and mix until fully dissolved. Wheat and jaggery have been a staple combo in Indian kitchen for centuries. Wheat flour provides fiber and keeps you full for longer. Jaggery is a natural sweetener, rich in iron and good for digestion. Cardamom aids in digestion and gives a calming aroma. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee and continue cooking for 5 to 7 minutes or until the pudding thickens nicely. Grease a plate with a little oil and pour the pudding into it. Top with some almonds or any dry fruits you like. Let it cool down for 2 to 3 hours and your wholesome pudding is ready. Do you want more traditional sweet recipes like this? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this healthy dessert, make sure to like, comment and share with your friends and family. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Innovent Foods for more tasty and homemade treats. Stay healthy, stay sweet, and I will see you again soon with another easy recipe.